Okay, let's get into this. Our mission today, well, it's a deep dive, really. We're trying to find the absolute best free call recorder app for Android. There's just so much info out there, it's easy to get lost. So we sifted through it, and we've got five strong contenders lined up. We're looking at Cube Call Recorder ACR, Automatic Call Recorder, Bold Beast, Call Recorder 2025, and All Call Recorder.
Right, and the sources, they kind of tell us there isn't one single perfect app. It's more about finding the perfect trade-off for what you specifically need. Are you looking for maximum versatility, like something that records internet calls too? Or is it just about rock-solid reliability for your normal phone calls? That's the core question we'll help you figure out.
Okay, good frame. Let's kick off with maybe the most ambitious one. Cube Call Recorder ACR. You called it versatile. It sounds like it tries to be the one-stop shop for recording.
Exactly, that's its big draw. It handles regular phone calls, sure, but it also tries to record VoIP calls. VoIP, that's Voice over Internet Protocol, so apps like WhatsApp, Skype, that kind of thing, which is great if you jump between different call types a lot. And it even lets you pick like specific contacts to auto-record, which is a nice touch.
Okay. But versatile sounds like it might come with a but. What's the catch the sources mention?
Yeah, the catch. VoIP recording is just, well, it's finicky. It's notoriously difficult on Android, so it might work great on one phone, but be completely broken on another. Or it depends on the Android version. You're basically trading guaranteed stability for those, advanced features. It's a bit of a gamble.
Got it. So if Cube ACR is the high feature, maybe higher risk option, what if someone just wants something that works for standard calls? No fuss.
Then you probably look at Automatic Call Recorder. Think of it as the reliable workhorse. Its main thing is just doing the job, recording standard calls automatically, without you needing to mess with it much. And crucially, a really key feature, it automatically syncs your recordings. Think Google Drive, Dropbox.
Oh, right. The cloud backup. That's actually huge, isn't it, for saving phone storage space?
Absolutely. Phone storage is always at a premium, so offloading those recordings is a major practical plus.
Okay, so it's reliable, it has cloud sync. Why the complaints about the interface looking old-fashioned?
Yeah, some users mention that it's definitely a function over form situation. It seems they prioritize making it work reliably in the background over like a super slick modern design. It just looks a bit dated to some.
Makes sense. So we have the feature-rich option and the reliable workhorse. What about users who want something simpler, maybe more minimal?
Okay, yeah, good point. Not everyone needs cloud sync or VoIP. For those listeners, maybe someone who values speed, low resource use, or security, we have a couple of minimalist contenders.
Like Bold Beast Call Recorder, what's its angle?
Bold Beast is really for the security-minded minimalists, I'd say. It's super clean, no ads, intentionally quite lean, but it offers specific things like backing up to an SD card, if your phone has one, and password protection for the app itself. It's kind of like they deliberately ditched the fancy stuff, the bells and whistles, for privacy and simplicity.
Okay, lean and secure. How does that compare to the other simple one, All Call Recorder?
All Call Recorder is also simple, but maybe its focus is slightly more on just dependable, everyday recording and keeping things organized. It works. It keeps your recordings easy to find. But like Bold Beast, you're not getting, different audio format choices or deep customization options. They're both solid choices if maybe your phone isn't the newest or you just want something light.
Right, less strain on the phone's resources. Okay, one more. Call Recorder 2025. This one sounds newer. Making waves, as they say.
Yeah, it's sort of the newcomer in this group. It seems to have built up a decent reputation pretty quickly, offers a strong free tier, handles both incoming and outgoing calls well, which is, the core job.
But being newer, does that mean less certainty?
Exactly. That's the potential heads up.
Yeah.
Because it's less established, we just have less data, fewer user reports over the long haul.
Yeah.
So long-term reliability across all the different Android phones and versions. It's maybe a bit less certain compared to the veterans. It's a great option to test out, definitely risk-free, but maybe not the instant default choice for everyone just yet.
Okay, so we've walked through 5 pretty different approaches to free call recording on Android. What's the big takeaway for someone listening right now trying to choose?
Well, if you connect all the dots, the fundamental choice really seems to boil down to this. Do you need or want the potential for VoIP recording, like with Cube ACR, even if it means you might hit compatibility issues? Or is your priority just having standard calls recorded automatically and reliably, maybe with that cloud backup feature from Automatic Call Recorder? That seems to be the main fork in the road.
Right, so you really need to look at your own calling habits. Are those WhatsApp calls critical to record, or are you mostly on standard phone lines? And maybe check reviews for your specific phone model, especially for Cube ACR.
Definitely check reviews for your device, yes. That's key.
Okay, makes sense. Decide what trade-offs matter most to you.
Maybe here's something to chew on. A final thought for you listening. We see how much its recording ability varies, right? It depends so much on the phone maker, the specific Android version. It's kind of a mess. So how long do you think it'll be before Google, before the Android operating system itself, just standardizes call recording access, builds it in properly so we don't even need these third-party apps and workarounds anymore? When does that happen?